How to fix LinkedIn verification problem. I'm going to tell you how to fix LinkedIn verification problems so you can regain access to your account. If you're facing identity verification issues, ensure your photo ID is clear, well lit, and all text is readable. Avoid glare, blurring, or cropping out any part of your passport, driver's license, or government issued ID. If LinkedIn requires a selfie verification, make sure your face is visible, well lit, and not obstructed. For NFC passport scanning, ensure your device supports NFC technology and slowly scan the passport chip. Keep in mind that persona verification may not be available in all countries, so check if your location is supported. If you're not receiving a verification code, double check your email or phone number, check spam folders, and try resending the code. Using the LinkedIn mobile app can sometimes resolve verification. If none of these steps work, contact LinkedIn or Persona support for further assistance.